Different ways to say tease in English. To tease in Spanish means burlarse, and this is the action of laughing with or laughing at other people and making jokes at the expense of other people. And we often do this in a fun way that is funny for everybody, including the person that you're laughing at, but it can also be in a negative way where it's not funny for the person. Okay, so you can see the list here. I've made a note of when it's negative. So for example, my husband is always teasing me about my cooking skills because I don't cook very well. Or my husband is always taking a hand at me for my cooking skills. So in this sense, it's funny for both of us. He has other things that I take a hand at him about as well, and it's in a fun, joking way. To bully is always negative. Um, I don't know, for example, I was bullied in school as a child or something like that. The school is famous for creating bullies, or I feel like he is bullying me in the workplace because he's always telling me that my work is badly done, or he's always shouting at me. So to bully is always negative. To mock is always negative, and the meaning of mock is to mimic somebody in a negative way. Maybe the way that they're speaking or the way that they say things, like something, for example, oh, you're always going on like, yeah, no, this is mocking how another person is. Okay, to laugh at is always negative as well. If you are using laugh in the sense of a positive way, you can say, I'm laughing with you, not at you. Okay, so I'm always laughing with my friends about our funny habits. Or I'm laughing with my husband about how bad my cooking is. Or in a negative way, he's always laughing at how I pronounce certain words in Spanish. And this is not so nice. Okay, so examples. He is always teasing me about my cooking. He's always taking a hand at me about my cooking. He's always bullying me about, he's always bullying me in the workplace and I feel anxious. Or he mocks how I talk and I don't like it. Or he's laughing at me and it makes me uncomfortable. Or he's laughing with me and I think it's funny. So different ways to say similar things. My name is Sabrina Doherty from Inglés con If you like this, please share and subscribe. Thank you.